Are you tired of working tirelessly yet feeling stuck in the same financial rut? Unable to break through to the next level? The truth is, it's not just about effort, it's about mindset. What if the way you think about money, wealth, and opportunities is the invisible wall holding you back? The good news? Changing your perspective can unlock new paths to prosperity. In this video, we'll dive into powerful mindset shifts that can dramatically alter your financial future, equipping you with strategies to escape stagnation and embrace lasting wealth. If you're ready to align your thoughts with your financial goals and discover how success truly begins in the mind, let's get started. Understanding the mindset shifts that can dramatically alter your financial trajectory is crucial in reshaping your economic landscape. Many individuals unintentionally hinder their financial growth through ingrained beliefs and outdated thought processes that no longer serve their best interests. Caught in a cycle where we labor intensely without strategic planning, many face financial plateauing or even regression. The content provided here aims to equip you with the knowledge and strategies needed to break free from these constraints. Have you ever found yourself stuck, despite constant effort and diligence? Rest assured, you're not alone in this experience. The insights shared are specifically tailored to assist you in navigating towards greater financial stability, offering a fresh perspective to recalibrate your approach towards money management. This guidance can be the key to unlocking new opportunities and aligning your actions with your aspirations more effectively. So, if you're ready to challenge the status quo and step out of the financial stagnation that may be holding you back, these insights are here to support your journey towards financial empowerment. Sure, let's expand the text while maintaining the original tone and correcting any grammatical errors. The first mindset shift is from scarcity to abundance. Many people operate under a scarcity mindset, fearing there's never enough to go around. This kind of thinking limits opportunities and stifles growth. Instead, adopting an abundance mindset will open you up to possibilities and foster a belief that there are unlimited resources and wealth available. Recognize that wealth is not a finite resource. The financial pie is not fixed, and your success doesn't detract from someone else's. Embracing an attitude where you perceive the world as full of opportunities can significantly enhance your approach to challenges. This isn't just about monetary gain. It's a broader psychological perspective that impacts everything from professional endeavors to personal relationships. Realizing that the universe is expansive by nature can help you see competition as a form of inspiration rather than a threat. When you shift to this way of thinking, you suddenly realize that collaboration often leads to greater rewards than hoarding opportunities. For instance, working collaboratively with others can uncover new methods, superior solutions, and innovative ideas that might not emerge within an environment rooted in scarcity. This interconnectivity also drives a sense of community and unity, fostering networks of support and trust. With this mindset, you're more inclined to give and share, which paradoxically attracts more wealth and joy into your life. It's akin to planting seeds. Nurturing an environment that supports mutual growth tends to multiply outcomes. Human history is replete with examples where collaboration led to unprecedented achievements. Think of societies that thrived on barter and mutual cooperation, where the flow of goods and services was enhanced by shared efforts. Contemporary business models also acknowledge that synergy among teams can generate profound innovations that set market standards. Entrepreneurs and thought leaders espouse an abundance mentality, often advocating for thinking outside the box as a way to harness infinite growth avenues. In personal development, the law of attraction echoes this mindset. Positivity and abundance attract similar energies. Another crucial element of this mindset is recognizing that thoughts and beliefs significantly shape reality. Your mindset can be a self-fulfilling prophecy. Concentrating on abundance helps to manifest it in tangible ways. Visualizing your goals, coupled with proactive efforts, makes them more attainable. Also, viewing setbacks as learning experiences rather than roadblocks helps maintain forward momentum. A scarcity mindset often magnifies hurdles and imbues them with insurmountability. Conversely, an abundance mindset uses these same hurdles as springboards, offering lessons and insights that throughout history, the pursuit of prosperity has captivated the imagination of countless individuals. There exists a tantalizing mystery as to why abundance flows easily to some, while others find it elusive. This enigma persistently fuels conversations and drives inquisitive minds to delve deeper into the underlying factors that differentiate financial success stories from those of struggle. In embarking on this exploration, we invite you to consider 3 transformative perspectives that have the potential to revolutionize your path towards prosperity. Our modern world often presents wealth as a distant mirage, seemingly reserved for a fortunate few. However, the reality is that financial success is not merely the product of luck or inherited privilege. It is, rather, a dynamic interplay of mindset, opportunity, and perseverance. By examining and adopting certain key mental frameworks, individuals can significantly enhance their ability to generate and sustain wealth. This video promises to illuminate these crucial concepts, guiding you towards a richer, more fulfilling life. Initiating this journey towards financial enlightenment requires an open mind, a willingness to embrace new ideas, and the courage to take decisive steps. To fully harness the potential of these principles, it is essential to cultivate a mindset geared towards growth, resilience, and strategic thinking. This may involve challenging long-held beliefs, reevaluating existing strategies, and charting new courses that align more closely with your aspirations. As you proceed, do not underestimate the power of intention and belief in shaping your financial reality. The first mindset shift involves seeing opportunities where others perceive obstacles. The ability to reframe challenges as potential launchpads for innovation and progress can set you apart on your financial journey. This mindset not only encourages proactive problem-solving but also propels you into a space of abundant possibilities. It is here that ingenuity thrives, opening doors to ventures that others overlook. Equally important is the understanding of value creation as a cornerstone of wealth acquisition. Financial gain often mirrors the value one can provide to others and society at large. By focusing on building skills, offering unique solutions, and addressing unmet needs, individuals position themselves as indispensable partners in their chosen fields. This commitment to excellence and service can pave the way for sustainable financial growth, distinguishing you from those trapped in short-sighted pursuits of gain. Another critical aspect of achieving financial success is nurturing a community that supports, challenges, and inspires you. Surrounding yourself with like-minded visionaries, mentors, and allies fosters an environment ripe for collaborative growth. These networks provide invaluable insights, diverse perspectives, and emotional sustenance, crucial components as you increasing your capabilities is akin to unlocking a world of potential opportunities where your contributions find greater recognition and reward. By engaging in continuous learning and skill enhancement, you naturally raise the value you bring to any table, setting yourself apart from peers and competitors. This expansion in competence not only boosts your confidence, but also positions you as indispensable within your professional sphere. As you cultivate these abilities, either through formal education or self-directed learning, your unique proposition becomes more compelling, influencing your share in any collaborative endeavor. Consider how broader knowledge adds layers to your decision-making process, illustrating varied scenarios and alternative strategies that perhaps others might overlook. Efforts to advance your capabilities serve as catalysts for attracting more meaningful opportunities. In a rapidly evolving world, where industries are continually shifting, your adaptability and willingness to learn can render you a leader in innovation. This, in turn, often translates into greater financial rewards and increased dominance in your chosen field. Consider the dynamism of technology sectors, where staying ahead with the latest advancements can redefine professional trajectories and open doors to roles that once seemed unreachable. The process of enhancing your competencies requires dedication but promises returns, not merely in financial terms, but through enriched experiences and heightened recognition. Concurrent with skill enhancement is the embrace of personal growth, a journey through which you unveil your true potential and resilience. Personal growth enables you to assert yourself with credibility in conversations or negotiations that dictate the size of your pie. It is not solely about honing skills, but about broadening perspectives, nurturing patience, and building resilience. These factors collectively strengthen your professional stance, fueling your career progression and thereby allowing you to command bigger rewards for your contributions. Another impactful transformation is rooted in the power of purpose. Those who establish substantial wealth frequently align their ventures with aims that transcend pure profit. By integrating a profound purpose into your pursuits, you steer towards endeavors that foster genuine value and societal contribution. This shift involves identifying drives that extend beyond the superficial lure of financial gain, reshaping your journey towards one that enriches both personal fulfillment and collective betterment. When personal aspirations resonate with a comprehensive vision that seeks to empower or uplift others, the mechanisms of accumulated wealth and satisfaction often naturally align. Sincerity of purpose does not merely bolster financial outcomes, but also ingrains a deeper sense of satisfaction in what you accomplish. Whether it's founding an enterprise that addresses environmental concerns or investing in initiatives that tackle social inequality, purpose-driven pursuits tend to engender long-lasting impacts, creating a legacy not easily quantified. In pursuing goals that with your passion and values guiding your way, you'll find yourself better equipped to persevere through obstacles and remain dedicated to crafting a financially abundant future. This mindset empowers you such that even when encountering disappointments, your foundational purpose drives you to devise solutions and continue progressing. Deeply embedded values and aspirations offer a renewable source of motivation, ensuring that the initial excitement does not wane as challenges present themselves. It's this internal drive, aligned with your core beliefs, that sustains your journey even when external circumstances become daunting. Reflecting on the third mindset shift, it's about viewing fear not as a barrier but as a gateway to growth. A transformation takes place when apprehension about potential failure morphs into eagerness for innovation and exploration. Many individuals instinctively shy away from risks due to the dread of failure, believing it signals the end of the road rather than just another point of departure. In contrast, those who achieve remarkable success see failure differently, perceiving it as an integral learning experience, a necessary step on the path to achievement. They embrace each stumble as a vital part of the journey, one that can reveal new insights and strategies for future endeavors. Understanding failure as an educational tool reshapes the entire decision-making process. Rather than playing safe and static, successful individuals courageously venture into the unknown, eyes wide open to absorb new lessons and adapt to changing landscapes. By shifting the perception of fear, what once seemed insurmountable can become an exciting opportunity to innovate beyond existing limitations. When failures occur, as they inevitably do, they don't spell disaster. Instead, they're regarded as an invitation to reevaluate, restructure, and recommit with strengthened resolve and strategic insight. In this mindset, each setback enriches the understanding of one's own capabilities and limitations. It fosters resilience, a crucial component in the ever-evolving quest for prosperity. Adapting to this way of thinking involves embracing imperfections, acknowledging that no path is entirely free of missteps or detours. It's not about avoiding mistakes but using them as stepping stones, thereby turning them into strategic advantages. Such a perception framework encourages continuous growth and prevents stagnation, as every challenge navigated successfully enhances personal and professional development. This approach opens doors to creativity, as fears transform into questions, and doubts become the catalysts for strategic planning and proactive problem-solving. When you approach your wealth-building journey with the belief that fear can be the teacher rather than the foe, the horizon broadens, allowing for greater exploration and discovery. When you view failure as a valuable form of feedback rather than a final stopping point, your perspective starts to evolve positively. This change in mindset allows you to treat challenges as stepping stones rather than insurmountable barriers, providing valuable insights and preparation for future endeavors. Acknowledging setbacks as opportunities for growth rather than declarations of defeat transforms your approach. This shift can encourage individuals to broaden their comfort zones, embrace uncertainty, and take calculated risks that pave the way for new achievements. By reframing these experiences, you can embark on paths previously unimagined, fostering personal and professional development. This approach doesn't just change your perspective. It actively encourages you to test new waters and explore unfamiliar territories that often lead to innovative solutions and pathways to success. These mindset transformations should be seen as essential components in the journey toward building wealth. Their effectiveness is evidenced by extensive research and the insights of numerous scholars and practitioners. For instance, Findings in the field of positive psychology illuminate the strong correlation between adopting a growth-oriented outlook and achieving long-term success. Such studies underscore how the interpretation of obstacles plays a crucial role in determining one's ability to thrive. Adopting this perspective will not only enhance your capacity for overcoming obstacles, but also significantly improve the likelihood of reaching your financial aspirations. Understanding the underlying psychological principles and strategies can further enhance this transformational process. When you internalize the belief that every setback contains valuable lessons, resilience becomes an innate part of your journey. This philosophy acts as a catalyst for personal growth and financial success, laying the groundwork for enduring achievement. Strategically applying the lessons learned from past experiences can create a powerful toolkit for navigating future challenges. The willingness to embrace failure as feedback boosts your adaptability, a key asset in a world characterized by rapid changes and dynamic shifts. In this way, remaining open to transformation ensures your skills remain relevant, enabling you to seize opportunities even in unpredictable circumstances. Enthusiasm for learning from setbacks can also instill a sense of purpose, motivating you to pursue goals with renewed vigor. This intrinsic drive propels you toward new ventures, pushing boundaries and discovering potential you may not have considered before. As you accumulate wisdom from each experiment, the cycle of growth and achievement strengthens, perpetuating an upward trajectory of success and fulfillment. By deeply integrating this mindset, you increase not only your potential for financial gain, but also your ability to lead a fulfilled and enriched life. Emphasizing growth over perfection fosters an environment where innovation thrives. In conclusion, changing your mindset might seem like a small action, but it can have profound effects on your financial success. By shifting to an abundance mindset, finding purpose in your financial pursuits, and viewing fear as an opportunity, you set the stage for rapid wealth creation. Remember, the path to financial freedom begins with the mind. If these insights resonated with you, explore our other videos for more strategies that can transform your financial world. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with practical insights that propel you toward a richer, more fulfilling life.